Hello everyone, my name is Nick and I'm an MCLA Help Desk Consultant. In this video, I'd like to walk you through the process of connecting your device to MCLA's network. There are a few ways to connect your device to MCLA's network. The most popular option is to connect to the BlazerNet wireless network. It's an easy process. Let's walk through it. First, connect your device to the wireless network named BlazerNet. This is the network that extends in and all around the MCLA campus buildings. When connecting to BlazerNet for the first time, you should open a web browser, which will then redirect you to a device registration portal that you'll need to log into, using your MCLA user ID and password. Once logged in, you'll have the option to register the device that you are connecting with. After the device is successfully registered, it will be able to connect to the network without any further action needed. You may need to re-register the device if the device is not seen on the network for over 60 days. Now, if this process doesn't work for you because you are having a problem connecting to the registration page, or your device doesn't have a web browser to perform the registration on something like a media player, gaming console, or smart TV, we are going to have to register the device manually. Let me walk you through how. The first thing you'll want to do is visit the link that is displayed here on the screen. After you reach the website, you will see a link at the top of the page that says self-registration. Click on that link and it'll redirect you to log in. Now, enter your MCLA number and password and click login. Now, in the middle of the screen, you want to select the button that says Add. After the page loads up, you will see a field that says MAC address. If you know what your MAC address is, you can simply type it in. If not, don't worry. Simply visit the link on the screen and it will explain to you the process of finding your MAC address. Just for reference though, a MAC address is a unique identifier for your device to allow the network to know what device is connecting to it. Alright, now that you have your MAC address, type it in the field and then in the description box, give a short example of what kind of device you are adding to the network. Now, once you are done, hit submit and your device will be ready for use. Okay, so you probably noticed there's another wireless network on campus named eduroam, which you can also use to connect to the network. eduroam, also known as education roaming, is an international educational collaboration that allows employees and students at participating universities and research institutions to offer seamless authentication to the wireless networks at each institution. MCLA joins other local universities that participate in this, such as Williams College, Westfield State University, Amherst College, and the University of Massachusetts Systems, to mention a few. In other words, if you connect your device to eduroam here, it will automatically connect to other universities that also broadcast it. Now, here's how to get connected. There are two ways to connect to eduroam. The first way that will work for most devices is simply to visit the Wi-Fi settings on whatever device you are on and then select eduroam network. When prompted, you will need to enter your A number followed by the @mcla.edu extension after it. Then after you enter that, enter your password. Now, if that doesn't work, you can visit the link that is seen here on the screen and follow the guide to get connected. Essentially what this involves is downloading a program that will assist you on getting your device connected to the network. Okay, now I have one other connection method for resident students at MCLA. If you are a resident at MCLA, you will also have access to plug in your device to an Ethernet port that is available in your room. The first thing you will want to do is plug in the Ethernet cable to the bottom jack. which is usually orange. Be careful not to connect it into the old telephone port, that will cause issues. Next, you will want to restart the device. And then, once the device is booted up, open a web browser to register the wired network adapter on the MCLA network. Now, lastly, a few other things I should mention for dorm residents. It's always best to connect any printers that you have directly to your computer using a USB cable. Try not to configure your printer to work through the wireless network. In fact, we ask that you disable any ad hoc networks that your printer may be broadcasting. It causes interference on our network. Also, running your own wireless router in your dorm room can cause interference on our network or confusion for other residents on which network to connect to. Let's leave those home routers at home and ensure you connect to BlazerNet now that you know how to do so in this video. Of course, if you need help connecting any devices on the network, please reach out to MCLA Tech Help Desk. We'll be happy to assist you.